Welcome to our channel. If you want to secure your Grubhub account and protect your personal and payment information, follow this quick guide to implement essential security measures. Step 1. Open the Grubhub app or website and sign into your account using your current credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu button, then selecting Account or Settings. Step 3. Update your password to a strong, unique combination that includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using common words or personal information. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication if Grubhub offers this feature. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your phone or email when signing in from a new device. Step 5. Review your payment methods and remove any outdated or unused credit cards or payment options from your account. Step 6. Check your order history regularly to identify any unauthorized purchases. If you notice suspicious activity, report it to Grubhub support immediately. Step 7. Never share your account credentials with others, and be cautious of phishing emails or messages claiming to be from Grubhub asking for your login information. Step 8. Log out of the Grubhub app when using shared or public devices to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.